What's up everybody, this is Dallas Stone here, and today in this video I want to show you how to kind of get a quick nicer viewport so you can take like a nice screen cap or a screenshot of your progress of your work, and just a nicer viewport so that you can, when you're working in it, it doesn't look so flat. Now, first caveat is if you don't have a powerful machine, this could cause issues. I don't really know because I don't really have a low-end PC here to kind of test that. But here we go. So this is some few things. So let's quickly turn this back to what it is by default. So by default in Blender, this is what you're going to be seeing, and this can look very kind of bland, not too much depth. You don't get to see too much of the depth of your work in the viewport. So I like to quickly change this by going to the shading, going to matcap. And then in here, you can click this ball, and you can kind of pick whichever kind of matte cap you want to take a look at. For me, I just keep it at the default matte cap, or sometimes I go for the dark. It really depends on how you're feeling, but for me, I like to go for the default one. And then I like to turn on cavity, and then this kind of gives you a little bit of that AO, which kind of makes things looks a little bit nicer. Gaps and little areas look a little bit nicer. Now, so that's to how to quickly make it look like this. Now, when taking screenshots, what I noticed was some of my thumbnails in my YouTube videos were having like this grid. So to kind of get rid of all this, you just go to overlays, turn off gizmo, turn off grid, turn off the X and Y axes, turn off the 3D cursor, and turn off the origins. Once you do all this, you just have this nice little background, and you can take a screen cap, like for me, screenshot. Some of you can use snippet or whatever you may like. Obviously, I probably not have my cursor there, but yeah, it kind of gives you a little bit of a nicer, area to kind of take a screen cap of your work. So there you go. Hopefully you enjoyed your nice new viewport, and I'll see you all next time.